are just north of Miami visiting Mike on his shop Signature, where they do fantastic work and modification to Teslas and electric cars in general. So Mike, tell us everything what you do, how you started the business and where you're taking those cars.
Yep, awesome, welcome to be here. So started September 2012.
Okay.
It was, the concept was your signature being something custom.
Yes.
Everyone's got a different signature. So trying to build something different for everybody. Nothing being the exact same. 2012, 2013, one of my best friends, Brad, brought me a Tesla Model S and said, let's do something to it.
Okay.
And we wrapped it, tinted it, Vossen wheels out of Miami, built a custom wheel for it, and it kind of went viral. And it just kind of went from there. Grown from a couple shops to 3 shops.
Right.
Just love modifying this. No one wanted to touch the electric car. No one knew anything about it. And Brad said, don't put all your eggs in one basket. And here's my basket. So it's been a journey, that's for sure. There's been a lot of ups and downs. Everyone knows Tesla's up and down, you know, the good, the bad, whatever. But ever since we got our hands on one, it's been full throttle all the way through.
Cool stuff. So what's the typical customer experience? Do customers bring you a complete stock car or they order a brand new car?
Yeah, so basically it's really interesting because of my history and how long I've been doing this for. A lot of them are big builds.
Okay.
I mean, we still do, you know, the occasional tint, PPF and stuff like that, but we do a lot of the suspension stuff, the dump box stuff, interior stuff, lighting, body kits, upgraded wheels, upgraded brakes and calipers and stuff like that. So it's literally anything you can think of.
Yeah.
We are going to do it, or we're going to try to do it and figure it out.
And you mainly do Teslas, or are you open to anything EV?
No, we do a lot of everything. You know, we've done, you know, the Mercedes-Benz, we've done some Rivians, we've done a bunch of Lucids. So we've done, but this was my main thing. Probably 3 years into it, I met some people and I was at a show and they kept saying, you know, I want to wrap my Tesla, I want to wrap my Tesla. And I literally bought wrapmytesla.com. And that was it. That was another stepping stone in the business. Of growing and growing and growing.
So you do have several shops now?
Right now I'm back down to 1. We had Naples, and then I had another bay over here. With the hurricane over in Naples, kind of slowed things down over there, so that's been put on hold. And then we had some massive floods over here last year in April, so still trying to regroup from all of that. But back to basics, which is perfectly fine, and rebuilding again and staying above float. You know?
Would you believe me if I told you you can do a radical change to your car in less time it takes to supercharge your Tesla? Let's check it out. I have partnered with Halo Black to create a custom design that hides your old rim and replace it with a nice flush disc that not only protects your rims but also improve efficiency. First step is to install the hub. It just goes in. You can push this in, tighten it by hand. Then you use a special tool. Here we go. Next step is just to open the disc, and this one is the custom design one. 88 miles per hour, because when this baby hits 88, you're gonna see some serious. Next step is simply to screw this on, and because this is the right side of the car, screw anti-clockwise, and you use the tool to lock it in. And to secure the whole thing, you screw on one very last screw. All right, it only took 12 minutes, which is way less than it takes the Tesla to supercharge. So in the next few weeks, I will know if efficiency has actually improved. But in the meantime, you can order your own set of discs. And again, you can use any numbers, any letter you want, up to 25 characters, and use the code below. But more importantly, send us your photos of your Tesla with your Halo disc. Before we go and review those cars, would you have any tips to anyone willing to start a business similar to yours?
That's a tough one. Literally know how to run a business, because just installing is the far back end of it. Like, there's more taxes, you know, permits, insurances. Like, we have a $3 million insurance policy on this bay. There's so many more things to a business than just wrapping cars. Build a great rapport with reps. You know, take them out, enjoy, treat every client like their family. I have people, you know, to this day from 12 years ago, sending up Christmas presents, you know, birthday presents, stuff like that. I try to interact as much as I can with my clients, family members, the kids, you know, growing up. And what I'm seeing now is the Model S is being handed down to the kids. Because now they're grown up, or they turn 15 or 16, 17 years old, and then, you know, the parents are getting their second, third, fourth car. So it's cool to see the kids grow up, the parents grow up, and the cars evolve.
Becomes part of the family.
Yeah, it literally does. And that's literally how the whole Tesla thing back in the day. It was all family. You know, you went to a charging station, you got out and you talked to everybody. You got to know where they're from, what they were doing, with their traveling, things like that. So I try to keep it like that. I grew up, my dad always said, you know, keep it small, but keep it personal. And that's where I, you know, still try to keep it like that.
All right, Model S #1. Tell us everything about this one.
So my boy Joey's car, fully wrapped in Hexus black chrome with the satin dark gray overlays with the teal overlays. Full carbon fiber body kit, and then we have a dump box inside.
Yeah.
Also.
So for those who don't know, the dump box allows you to fully empty the
so the dump box gets tied into the 4 stock air lines, and then once we go into service mode, it's literally sucking all the air out of the lines and the bags. So literally, we can dump a car all the way down on it. Mountain Pass big brake kit with the rotors. And Vossen HF7.
Do you do paint for brakes?
So we do powder coating. We do powder coating for the wheels and painting of the brakes too.
Nice.
Yeah, absolutely. Then he's got a upgraded steering wheel. Not much interior. He's kind of pretty simple stuff.
Got to get some dices.
Yeah, that's our. He actually has a lowrider too. I wish I knew more details about his lowrider, but he's on both spectrums of the field. So full body kit. And then we have our custom rear brace.
Wow.
For stability in the back.
Don't think I've ever seen this.
Yeah, that was something that we just started doing on that. Yeah.
Tell us more about the brace.
So this brace is fully custom made. They're custom made per car, and slides in all the bolts. This will come right in and out. So if you need to do the pass through or whatever, for stability on the back end, making this thing stick to the ground even more. No body roll in the back anymore.
And you do feel the difference?
Night and day. Night and day. Absolutely. Yeah.
All right, now that's something unusual.
So this is my girl's car, Errol. Obviously, it's her baby girl's Tesla. Hexus satin chrome, completely coated with ceramic pro. She obviously likes Louis Vuitton, so her Louis Vuitton upgrades through
So you did a full custom.
So this is full custom air setup, yeah. So this is air demand with the airlift management and custom one-off full body kit. One of one on that body kit right now. She has the new HF8 Vossen with the floating cap. So these float.
Oh, yeah.
With her custom pink calipers, obviously. She obviously likes pink. Her upgraded doors, interior door jambs. Her roof is done also.
And the Mini-Me.
So there's the Mini-Me. I used to have it on my car too. She's still stuck with it. We did it for a pink car show in Orlando. It became our thing, kind of a branding thing. So same thing, we're starting her VIP tables for her, which are getting built now. Interior stuff, same thing. Custom, again, all one-off body kit for her too. She's got her signature emblems and everything that we try to put on most of all of our big build cars. Then you got mine.
Yours.
So
so is it pink? Is it gray?
So originally gloss black, satin chrome silver on one side, satin pink on the other side. Love it, love it, love it. Now I'm running 22-inch wheels. These are new HFX1 wheels from Vossen. They just came out with the big rotor upgrade, 410 for the rotor upgrade from Mountain Pass.
All right.
And then custom design on the whole thing. And then we have the
signature roof box.
Yeah, the signature roof box, our sneaker box, big sneaker people. So got the off-white information with our logo, with our location and our phone number.
And same thing, you got the brace in your...
Yeah, so I run a unplugged performance rear spoiler. And then I also, it doesn't go all the way up because of the box, I also run a rear brace too. And then full door jambs. Upgraded steering wheel also, fuzzy dice also.
So the steering wheel was custom.
So it's all
made,
custom made. Yeah. So we have a guy that does all of our custom steering wheels for us.
There's one last beast in this shop.
Yeah. So so this is the Cybertruck, obviously. So this is one that we're doing a sponsorship on. This is a flip color 3M deep space.
Is it a limited edition color? Or?
No, it came out a couple years ago.
Yeah, I remember them doing a limited wrap for
Yeah,
some cars, and
Yep,
we featured one with
Yep.
Bucky and his Model 3.
Yep.
So you did the brakes, just
So we
a
did
color change,
we did some calipers. The wheels are out right now. Unfortunately, they're not here yet. But we got Boston wheels, upgraded wheels for this
Nice.
car too.
Let's check out the interior because you've done quite some work inside.
Yeah. So stock is this
Yes.
white, all the upper, and then we did the white inserts, white centerpiece to the boat deck. So then all the doors all have white inserts throughout.
Yeah, that works.
Just kind of adds a little more nice little touch to it. Something different than everybody else.
Still looks factory,
Yeah.
but a bit brighter.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that really works.
And then
I understand doing Cybertrucks is a bit tricky with different vinyl and so on. Do you have any tips or feedback from?
Just different stuff, different adhesive taking onto the surface of these things, coming off the PPF now with colored PPFs and gloss. Satin PPF doesn't look that really good on here, but the colored PPFs are the new thing. This is a 3M obviously color change wrap. So
And off camera, you were telling me some product work better, say in California and some in Florida.
yeah,
or in New
so
York.
that's just my opinion on what lasts longer down here compared to California. I'm not a big Avery fan for down here. 3M, Oracal, Hexus, all those guys seem to work a lot down here. This is something new that we just did.
It's pretty nice, yeah.
So you'd probably be the first to show that off. And yeah, they're new. This is our 10th one that we've done. It's just kind of trial and error. Thank God we've had 10 really good clients to allow us to play and practice on their cars. The last two that were just here, one went to Venezuela, one went to St. Thomas. So we get a lot of cars, like we were talking earlier, from different areas and getting shipped out and stuff like that.
So the panels being so flat, is it easier to do a Cybertruck or is it
Yeah,
a bit
definitely
tricky?
easier. The tricky part is the edges.
Yeah.
It's definitely the edges is the tricky part, but again, learning with different vinyls and doing different things and understanding what works and what doesn't work, that's the fun part about this new vehicle, you know.
So what's next for signatures as far events, builds?
So we do a lot of events. Again, I kind of changed this car up. If a lot of people follow me, they know this car was pink chrome probably 3-4 months ago. Now it's the two-tone, probably going to change it up again. I kind of just like be on top of things, trying different material. So this is a different material than we've normally used. Just trying different things. Big builds, obviously these are the next up and coming things. So
Yeah.
we're doing a little bit of everything on this car so we can showcase it, from the calipers to the tint to the wrap, little things, the interior. So yeah, should be a fun year.
All right, where our viewers should check you out?
Signature Customs on Instagram, and then welcome to the new feature that we like. And that's about it. That's it.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Anytime, man. Thanks for coming.